Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 150,000 piece bedazzling kit. These things are so much fun to be able to make beautiful little art projects. I have actually done one on here just to create whatever design you want to do, and you can put it pretty much anywhere. And this set has everything. It actually has 60 different colors, and there's 3 different packs. So you have individual little containers for all of the little packs. These are 3mm little sizes. You got 2 pairs of tweezers that you can get in here and grab your little pieces out because they are so small. Or you could even use a little scooper, scoop some up, and then put them on the little containers here. That way you don't have to remember which color it was or anything else. You've got 2 of these nice little containers, and you've got 5 of these B7000 glues, the nice little precision tip, so that way you can just easily put on whatever you're wanting to have for your little beads. It dries clear, and that is all fantastic. You also get the little wax pencils with the sharpener, and you just sharpen that up, and that just kind of helps pick that up as well. But with having so many different boxes, you can either share these, give them to friends, use them as projects for school, or just bedazzle so much because the variety of colors in here is so pretty. I love the shimmery, the size. I mean, all of the colors just pop. And as you can see, it looks super beautiful. So this is a great little gift, or keep it for yourself and have some fun bedazzling.